morning students, once again a very hearty welcome to the English World of Aradhya. Myself Ashwin sir, imparting knowledge of English to the students of 9 to 12 standard. Students, remember we were doing your fourth lesson. The title of the lesson is The Rat Trap, written by Selma Lagerlof. Okay, so far we have seen how this rat trap seller goes on selling his rat traps and how he robs that old crofter who gives him shelter for night, who provides him food and also tobacco. Okay, but then he loots him and afterwards he finds it difficult. Okay, he has that fear that if he walks on the main highway he may be caught later on by the police, so he takes a turn into the forest. But in the forest he keeps on walking for first 1 hour he does not have any problem, but later on he finds himself just trapped in that forest only. So now earlier he was thinking that the world is a rat trap, now he feels that he is also caught in that rat trap of the forest and he was about to die. At that time he heard some hammering sound coming from some near distance, and then he collects his strength and last attempt for him, he tries to reach that place. So he thinks that some people will just save my life. So he reaches near this ironworks where there are two people, one is blacksmith and another is his helper. And now he has gone over there, he has already entered into that ironworks, but because there were so many sounds, so those people did not notice. They notice only when he comes very close to the furnace to get warm. Okay. From there we will continue what happens next. Okay. Students. Surely it was nothing unusual for poor vagabonds without any better shelter for the night to be attracted to the forge by the glow of light which escaped through the sooty panes. So this was in a forest the best suitable place for him. Because of the rain he was getting very cold also, and here inside near the furnace he would get warm. Okay, and to come in to warm themselves in front of the fire. So inside if he could go, he could warm himself. He could dry also his clothes by standing near the fire. The blacksmith glanced only casually and indifferently at the intruder. So blacksmith did not show any interest in this person. Okay, he was, from this we can make out that he was a very arrogant person. He looked the way people of his type usually did. Okay, with a long beard, dirty, ragged, and with a bunch of rat traps dangling on his chest. Okay, उसके जैसे लोग जैसे दिखते हैं वैसे बस वो दिख रहा था यहाँ, दाढ़ी बढ़ गई थी, और क्या है रेड ट्रैप्स का बंच लटक रहा था उसके चेस्ट पे, डर्टी था, कपड़े फटे हुए थे वैसे. He asked permission to stay and the master blacksmith nodded a haughty consent. Okay, students, haughty means here very arrogant way. Without honoring him with a single word. So he did not speak a single word when he asked for the permission to stay. The blacksmith did not say any word, just nodded. Haughty consent. Okay, sammati. The tramp did not say anything either. He had not come there to talk, but only to warm himself and sleep. So tramp also did not have to say anything. He got the consent, that was enough. He got the permission to stay over there. He wanted to just warm himself and sleep because he had walked for many miles in the forest. तो उसको सोना था और थोड़ा warm होना था. Understood? इसलिए वो भी कुछ नहीं बोला. In those days, the Ramsjo iron mill was owned by a very prominent iron master. Prominent means well known, whose greatest ambition was to ship out good iron to the market. Okay? ये इसका था जिसकी वो ख्वाहिश क्या थी कि मैं मार्केट में सबसे अच्छे क्वालिटी का आयरन बेचूं. बराबर. He watched both night and day to see that the work was done as well as possible. So he was supervising the work during the day also and night also. Okay, then only he could get that. He could be sure that the workers are doing their work properly and he is getting the quality iron. Okay, and at this very moment he came into the forge on one of his 90 rounds of inspection. So when all those three are there, that time it is said that night also he was taking the rounds. Iron Master was taking the rounds during the night also. And on one such 90 rounds he came when he finds this stranger over there. Okay, then it is interesting to know what happens. Okay, naturally the first thing he saw was the tall ragamuffin who had eased his way so close to the furnace that steam rose from his wet rags. तो जब वो अंदर आया वैसे ही तीन लोग देखे तो वो पहचानता ही है. So his attention was drawn by this third person who was looking like a ragamuffin. Ragamuffin means a person wearing the ragged and dirty clothes, and that was worn by our red trap seller. Okay, and who had eased his way so close to the furnace. He was standing so close to the furnace that the steam from his wet clothes was coming out. The Iron Master did not follow the example of the blacksmith. Blacksmith consented him. Okay, but the Iron Master did not go that way. Let's see what he did. Who had hardly deigned to look at the stranger, who had hardly deigned, means agreed to look at the stranger. He walked close up to him. He went very close to him, and you see that blacksmith, he did not speak a word to this red trap seller. And here his boss is coming and going very close to the red trap seller, looked him over very carefully, then tore off his slouch hat to get a better view of his face. Then just removed his hat so that he could get the better view of this red trap seller. But of course, it is you, Nils Olof, he said. How you do look? Okay, he is saying in exclamatory way, exclamation. How you do look? तुम कैसे दिख रहे हो? So here we get the impression that he is meeting one of his old acquaintance after a long time, and his name must be Nils Olof. Okay. When the red trap seller hears this, he is surprised. The man with the red traps had never before seen the Iron Master at Ramasjo and did not even know what his name was. तो रेड ट्रैप सेलर को पता नहीं था कि कौन है, इसका नाम क्या है. But it occurred to him that if the fine gentleman thought he was an old acquaintance, he might perhaps throw him a couple of crowns. So again, this greed of getting money came to the red trap seller's mind. कि अगर मुझे वो अपना पुराना कोई पहचान वाला समझ रहा है तो मेरी ये हालत देख के कम से कम 2 क्रोनर तो देगा ही. couple of kroners means 2 क्रोनर तो देगा ही, बराबर. Therefore he did not want to undeceive him all at once. इसलिए वो उनका गैर समझ निकालना नहीं चाहता है. Okay, he doesn't want to make it clear that he is not Nils Olof. He is totally a separate person. That's what he doesn't want to say now. Because if he says now, then the Iron Master will drive him out. तो यहाँ से निकल क्या कर रहा है, कौन है, चल निकल. Okay, and the money that he is thinking he would get, that also he may not get. Okay, so that's why he doesn't want to undeceive him all at once. Yes, God knows things have gone downhill with me, he said. कि मेरी लाइफ में things कैसी हो गई है, matters have gone very worst, downhill means deteriorated. सब मेरी लाइफ में सब कुछ बिगड़ा है. ओके, तो आयरन मास्टर क्या बोलता है? You should not have resigned from the regiment. तो यानी ये पहले रेजिमेंट में था और वो बोलता है नील्स ओलोफ जिसको समझता है वो भी रेजिमेंट में था. बोलता है तुम्हें उसमें से रिजाइन नहीं करना चाहिए था. ओके, रेजिमेंट मीन्स अ यूनिट ऑफ एन आर्मी. ओके, said the Iron Master, that was the mistake. If only I had still been in the service at that time, it never would have happened. Iron Master बोलता है अगर मैं उस टाइम सर्विस में होता वो तब रिटायर हो चुका था तो मैं तुझे रिजाइन करने ही नहीं देता. Okay, it would never have happened. Well, of course, now of course you will come home with me. तो अभी भी क्या है, चलो मेरे घर चलो. To go along up to the manor house. Manor house means students. You see a large country house with land all the sides, and be received by the owner like an old regimental comrade. That, however, did not please the tramp. Okay, Iron Master is inviting him to his house, but here this fellow feels that if I go to his house and then if my reality comes out, then I will be trapped. He might hand me over to the police. So this idea he did not like. Okay. No, I couldn't think of it, he said, looking quite alarmed. वो चौंक गया, नहीं मैं आपके घर आने का तो कैसे सोच सकता हूँ. Okay. He thought of the 30 kroner. अब उसके पास 30 kroner भी है. So if those kroners are found from him, the Iron Master might question कि तू इतना फटीचर दिखता है, तेरे पास इतने पैसे कहाँ से हैं? Understood? So because of all those fears, he doesn't want to go to the Iron Master's house. To go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. देखो, Iron Master के घर जाना यानी कि अपने आप को स्वेच्छा से ये सिंहों के पिंजड़े में डालना, वैसा उसको लगता है. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away as inconspicuously as possible. Okay? उसको सिर्फ सोने आया था यहाँ. आयन वर्क्स है, उसमें सिर्फ सोने को आया था. उसको एक चांस चाहिए कि अच्छा सो सके. और फिर जैसे ही अननोइंगली इनकॉन्स्पिक्यूअसली यानी अननोइंगली जैसे वो आया था वैसे ही अननोइंगली यहाँ से चला गया. इतना ही वो चाहता था. अंडरस्टूड? The Iron Master assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. Iron Master तो उसको क्या समझ रहा है? अपने रेजिमेंटल कॉम्रेड समझ रहा है. आर्मी में वो था, उसका तब का टाइम का साथीदार है. पर उसको लगता है कि इसी वजह से अभी उसकी हालत ऐसी हो गई है, फटीचर जैसा दिख रहा है, तो अपनी ये हालत की वजह से उसको शर्म आती है मेरे घर में आने में, इसलिए वो ना बोल रहा है. That is what Iron Master thinks. Please don't think that I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there, he said. बोले कैसा मत सोच, मेरा बहुत बड़ा घर है, मेरा छोटा ही घर है, तुम वहाँ आ सकते हो. He said, Elizabeth is dead, as you may already have heard. Elizabeth must be Iron Master's wife. बराबर, must be नहीं है ही. तो बोले एलिजाबेथ तो मर गई, तुमने शायद सुना होगा. बराबर. My boys are abroad, so his sons are abroad, and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter and myself. मेरी सबसे बड़ी लड़की, ओके, उसके और मेरे अलावा घर पे है ही नहीं कोई. We were just saying that it was too bad we didn't have any company for Christmas. Okay, we were just thinking this way only that Christmas is coming soon. Remember, this is in the last part of December. This story takes place. Okay, in the last part of December only, the red trap seller goes into the forest. So from 22nd or 21st, if we say, then also 25th would be Christmas. And normally Christmas is what? Christmas is like many things for many people. Okay, for many people it is a family get together. All the family members who are living separately, okay, they have their own houses, wives, children. They would get together at somebody's house and celebrate the Christmas. So here he says that my sons are abroad. तो वो दूसरे कंट्री में से यहाँ क्रिसमस मनाने के लिए तो नहीं आ सकते. So we were just thinking that nobody is there this year with whom we can celebrate Christmas, and you came. Now come along with me and help us make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. तो हमारे साथ चलो और क्रिसमस का जो भी खाना बना है जल्दी खत्म करने में हेल्प करो. Okay, indirectly he is inviting him कि you come and celebrate Christmas with us. But the stranger said no and again no. And the Iron Master saw that he must give in. वो ना ही बोलता रहा, रेड ट्रैप सेलर ना ही बोलता रहा. उसको क्या डर है कि वो फंस जाएगा, पकड़ा जाएगा, इसलिए वो ना ही बोलता रहा. तो आयरन मास्टर को लगा कि अब इसके साथ ज़्यादा मैं नहीं कर सकता, ये आने को तैयार ही नहीं है, तो फिर क्या कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? So he must give in. So उसको ऐसा लगा. It looks as though Captain von Stahel preferred to stay with you tonight. Okay, Sternstone, he said to the master blacksmith and turned on his heel. उसने blacksmith को कहा, जिसका नाम Sternstone था. Okay, ये ऐसा लगता है कि ये भाई कैप्टन von Stahel आपके साथ ही रहना चाहता है, मेरे साथ आना नहीं चाहता. तो रखो इसको यहाँ. Okay, but he laughed to himself as he went away, and the blacksmith who knew him understood very well that he had not said his last word. वो वापस जाते हुए थोड़ा हंसता हुआ गया और ब्लैकस्मिथ को लगा कि इसने फाइनली नाम ही बोल दिया. बराबर। अभी और एक ट्राई करेगा इसको वो अपने घर ले जाने के लिए। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट। It was not more than half an hour before they heard the sound of carriage wheels outside the forge. आधे घंटे में ही दूसरी कैरेज आ गई वहाँ, ओके, उसके व्हील का आवाज आया। And a new guest came in, अब नया गेस्ट आया। Who's that? But this time it was not the iron master. Iron master नहीं आया, तो कौन आया? He had sent his daughter, apparently hoping that she would have better powers of persuasion than he himself. इसलिए वो ब्लैकस्मिथ को लगा था कि आयरन मास्टर ने छेला शब्द नहीं बोल दिया यहाँ कि ठीक है तो यहाँ रख, अभी और एक ट्राई करेगा। नाउ ही मेक्स द सेकंड ट्राई थ्रू हिज डॉटर। हिज डॉटर हैज कम बिकॉज आयरन मास्टर फील्स दैट हिज डॉटर हैज मोर परसुएशन पावर देन ही हैज, ओके। शी एंटर्ड फॉलोड बाय अ वैलेट, वैलेट यानी अटेंडेंट, सर्वेंट, ओके, कैरिंग ऑन हिज आर्म अ बिग फर कोट। उसके हाथ में क्या, एक हाथ के ऊपर एक फर का कोट है, okay. She was not at all pretty, but seemed modest and quite shy. That it is seen in normally all the girls. So she was modest and quite shy. In the forge, everything was just as it had been earlier in the evening. Forge में तो सब कुछ जैसे पहले था वैसा ही है. The master blacksmith and his apprentice still sat on their bench, and iron and charcoal still glowed in the furnace. अभी भी वो वहाँ वैसे ही चल रहा था. The stranger had stretched himself out on the floor, because stranger means here our retrieve seller, वो तो वहाँ लेट गया था, stretch हो गए, and lay with a piece of pig iron under his head. पीलो की जगह उसने अपने हेड के नीचे क्या रखा था, pig iron का एक टुकड़ा, and his head pulled down over his eyes. head अपने मुंह पे रख दी थी ताकि उसको वो लाइट डिस्टर्ब नहीं करे. As soon as the young girl caught sight of him, she went up and lifted his head. The man was evidently used to sleeping with one eye open. This is how our red seller was sleeping, keeping one eye open. So when this daughter of iron master took out the head, what happened? He jumped up abruptly and seemed to be quite frightened. एकदम उठ गया कि लड़की यहाँ कहाँ से आई, okay, और वो थोड़ा डर भी गया. My name is Edla Wilmanson, said the young girl. My father came home and said that you wanted to sleep here in the forge tonight, and then I asked permission to come and bring you home to us. पापा ने ये सब बताया कि तुम यहाँ ही सोना चाहते हो, इसलिए मैं उनकी परमिशन लेके तुमको घर ले जाने आई हूँ. I am so sorry, Captain, that you are having such a hard time. Okay, फादर ने बताया होगा कि वो मेरे आर्मी का एक साथी थे, तो इसलिए she is also calling him captain. Okay, okay. She looked at him compassionately, students, with all their kindness, with her heavy eyes, and then she noticed that the man was afraid. She noticed this, that the man was afraid to come over there. Either he has stolen something or else he has escaped from jail. ऐसा लगा कि या तो उसने कुछ चुराया है या तो वो जेल में से भागा हुआ है. She thought and added quickly, "You may be sure, Captain, that you will be allowed to leave us just as freely as you came." कि जैसे फ्रीली आप आए हो वैसे फ्रीली हम आपको जाने भी देंगे, ऐसा मत सोचो कि हम आपको पकड़ के रखेंगे. Only please stay with us over Christmas Eve. She said this in such a friendly manner that the rector peddler must have felt confidence in her. बराबर, इतनी फ्रेंडली तरीके से उसको बताया कि रेड सेलर को उसके ऊपर भरोसा हो गया. ओके, देन स्टूडेंट्स, इट वुड नेवर हैव अकर्ड टू मी दैट यू वुड बॉदर विथ मी योरसेल्फ, मिस, ही सेड. आई विल कम एट वंस. सो हियर द रेड सेलर गेट्स रेडी टू गो टू द आयरन मास्टर्स हाउस, एंड हु इज सक्सेसफुल इन परsuading him? Iron master's daughter, Edla. Okay, now when he goes over there, what sort of treatment he gets, and how the ending of the story comes, all those things, students, we will see in my next video. So till that time, stay fit, stay fine, have a good day, God bless you.